In today's fast-paced world, finding a kitchen appliance that offers versatility, efficiency, and delicious results is nothing short of a dream. This Beizuzu pressure cooker air fryer combo, a 6-quart powerhouse that combines pressure cooking and air frying in one sleek design. If you're someone who loves easy, delicious meals without the hassle of multiple gadgets, this innovative multifunction cooker is your new best friend. The Beizuzu 8-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a game-changer for busy families, meal prep enthusiasts, and anyone who loves flavorful food with minimal effort. It comes with 2 detachable lids, allowing you to seamlessly switch between air frying and pressure cooking modes. Whether you're making crispy air-fried chicken or tender, slow-cooked stews, this multi-cooker does it all. But is it truly worth the investment? Keep reading to find out why this Beizuzu combo cooker is earning rave reviews and becoming an essential kitchen tool for so many. Why you'll love the Beizuzu pressure cooker air fryer combo? The Beizuzu pressure cooker air fryer combo offers an unmatched level of convenience, versatility, and speed that will change the way you cook. Here are the top reasons why this appliance is a must-have. 8 appliances in one. This electric pressure cooker and air fryer combo replaces multiple kitchen gadgets by offering 8 different cooking functions: air fryer, pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, soup maker, egg cooker, and even a cake maker. Faster cooking. The Beizuzu pressure cooker cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods. If you're looking to save time on cooking, this is your answer. Preset cooking menus. With easy-to-use preset cooking functions for frozen fries, chicken, fish, shrimp, cake, steak, lamb chops, and hamburgers, you'll be able to make meals at the touch of a button. Convenience features. It comes equipped with a 24-hour delay timer, making meal prep even easier by allowing you to set your meal in advance. Wake up to your breakfast or dinner without lifting a finger. Advanced safety features. The Beizuzu pressure cooker is packed with 10+ safety protection features, including a safe locking lid, overheat protection, and a steam release switch with a diffusing cover to reduce noise and prevent splashes. Easy to clean. Featuring a PFOA-free, BPA-free non-stick inner pot and fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides, cleanup is simple. The pot, lid, and accessories are all dishwasher safe for your convenience. Beizuzu pressure cooker air fryer combo. Key features and benefits. Gone are the days of cluttering your kitchen with multiple appliances. The Beizuzu pressure cooker air fryer combo features 2 detachable lids, allowing you to easily switch between air frying and pressure cooking functions. This means you can use it with 8 preset cooking functions, you can cook just about anything without having to worry about complicated settings or recipe adjustments. Just select the preset and let the cooker do the rest. The Beizuzu pressure cooker helps you cook your favorite meals up to 70% faster than conventional cooking methods. Thanks to its high-powered 1500-watt air fryer and 1000-watt pressure cooker, you can enjoy quick, flavorful meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Whether you're cooking for yourself or feeding a family, this time-saving appliance speeds up meal prep so you can spend more time enjoying your food and less time cooking. Cooking has never been easier with the Beizuzu pressure cooker air fryer combo. It features a user-friendly LED display that clearly shows the cooking progress, making it simple to monitor your meals. With 8 preset cooking menus for both the air fryer and pressure cooker, it takes the guesswork out of meal prep. Safety is always a top priority when using high-pressure cooking appliances, and the Beizuzu pressure cooker doesn't disappoint. With 10+ safety protection features, this multi-cooker ensures you and your family are safe while preparing meals. These features include: the 6-quart non-stick inner pot is large enough to prepare meals for up to 6 people, making it perfect for families, meal prepping, or batch cooking. Whether you're making a family dinner or prepping meals for the week, the Beizuzu pressure cooker air fryer combo can handle it all. It's also great for cooking healthy, low-oil meals for a balanced diet. Cleaning up after a meal doesn't have to be a chore. The Beizuzu pressure cooker air fryer combo features a dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories, so you can easily clean everything after cooking. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior adds an extra level of convenience, ensuring that your cooker always looks pristine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.